Every sunrise is a reminder that no matter how dark the night was, light always returns. Nature never rushes, yet every tree grows, every river flows, and every season arrives on time. The ocean teaches us something powerful. Stay calm on the surface, even when storms exist underneath. In the wild, nothing tries to be perfect, yet everything belongs exactly where it is. Storms don't come to destroy us. They come to remind us how strong we truly are. The closer we get to nature, the closer we get to ourselves. The earth gives us everything: peace, life, beauty, wonder. Maybe it's time we protect it the same way it protects us. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. And in the end, nature doesn't ask for attention. It simply continues to create beauty quietly.